안녕하세요.
Welcome to Learning Korean for Absolute Beginners. This is the series which teaches you the fastest and easiest way to learn the Korean language. In our last lesson, we learned one of the biggest differences between English and Korean, sentence structure. We also learned some useful everyday verbs like I want, I like, and I'd like. Today, we are going to put those skills into practice. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to order food and drinks in Korean, ask for a menu, ask for water, compliment the food, and even ask for the bill. Let's get started. Before we start ordering food in Korean, let's take a quick look at what you might expect when eating out in South Korea. The Korean word for restaurant is 식당. 식당. 식당 simply means restaurant, and it's a word you'll see all over South Korea on signs and menus. But not every restaurant is the same. Just like in English, Korean has different words for different types of places to eat. 카페, 카페. This one is an easy one, as it sounds similar to its English translation, which is cafe. If you are looking for a coffee or a slice of cake, you'll probably be visiting a cafe or cafe. 한식집, again pronounced slowly, that is 한식집, which translates into English as Korean restaurant. 한식 means Korean food, and 집 literally means house. But together, 한식집 refers to a Korean restaurant serving traditional Korean dishes. 치킨집, again that is 치킨집. And can you guess what it means? We've just learned 집 is house and chicken is, well, chicken. So it is chicken restaurant. Korea is famous for its fried chicken, and you'll find chicken tip almost everywhere. 고깃집. Slowly, that is 고깃집, meaning Korean barbecue restaurant. One of the most popular experiences for visitors is eating at a 고깃집, where you cook delicious meat right at your table. No matter whether you are eating at a 식당, relaxing in a cafe, or enjoying Korean barbecue at a 고깃집, the phrases you are about to learn will help you order with confidence almost anywhere in Korea. So, let's step inside and order our first meal in Korean. Let's start with something familiar. 안녕하세요, which, as you should all know now, means hello. Whenever you walk into a restaurant in Korea, it's always polite to greet the staff first. Oh, and remember to bow when you say it. 저기요, pronounced slowly, that is 저기요. And in English, it translates to excuse me. If you need to get a waiter's attention, don't shout across the restaurant. Simply say 저기요, which means excuse me. It's one of the most useful words you'll learn. Repeat it after me. 저기요. 저기요. 메뉴 주세요. Pronounced again, that is 메뉴 주세요, which in English translates to menu please. Remember from our last lesson, 주세요 means please give me. Simply place what you want before 주세요. Yes, menu is the same in Korean as it is in English. Repeat it after me. 메뉴 주세요. 메뉴 주세요. 커피 주세요. 커피 주세요. Coffee, please.
물 주세요.
물 주세요. Water, please.
차 주세요.
차 주세요. Tea, please.
밥 주세요.
밥 주세요. Rice, please. Can you see the pattern? Simply change the first word and 주세요 stays exactly the same. Now let's learn the words for different food in Korean.
비빔밥.
Bibimbap. Bibimbap or bibimbap is one of Korea's most famous dishes. The name literally means mixed rice. It's made with steamed rice, colorful vegetables, meat, a fried egg, and a spicy red pepper paste called gochujang. Before you eat it, everything is mixed together, creating a delicious and balanced meal. 불고기, 불고기. Bulgogi or bulgogi is thinly sliced beef that's been marinated in a sweet and savory sauce before being grilled or cooked. It's one of the most popular Korean dishes around the world and is often served with rice and a variety of side dishes. Kimchi, kimchi. Kimchi or kimchi is Korea's most famous side dish. It's usually made from fermented cabbage that's seasoned with garlic, chili, ginger, and other spices. Kimchi is served with almost every traditional Korean meal and has a bold, tangy, and slightly spicy flavor. One phrase every tourist loves learning when it comes to restaurants is 맛있어요, 맛있어요, meaning in English, it's delicious. For example, you could use it in a sentence such as 비빔밥 맛있어요, meaning in English, bibimbap is delicious. Repeat it after me. 맛있어요, 맛있어요. After you finish your food, you should give thanks to the waiter. You can do this by saying 감사합니다. 감사합니다. This would be the way to say thank you formally, because you should of course show the workers respect.
계산서 주세요. 계산서 주세요.
Which means in English, the bill please. Many Koreans simply say 계산해 주세요, meaning please calculate, pay the bill. Repeat slowly. 계산서 주세요. Congratulations! You've just completed your very first restaurant conversation in Korean. You can now greet the staff, ask for a menu, order food and drinks, compliment the meal, and ask for the bill, all using beginner-friendly Korean. The more you practice these phrases out loud, the more natural they'll become. Try swapping the food and drink names for your own favorites and see how many new sentences you can create. In our next lesson, we'll leave the restaurant behind and learn how to ask for directions in Korean, so you'll be able to find your way around cities like Seoul with confidence. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode in our beginner Korean course. If you're new here, I'd also recommend starting from lesson 1. Each lesson builds on the last, so following the series in order will help you make faster progress. Thank you so much for learning with me. And as always, 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. See you next time.